Hey, so bringing you another video. Told you after the last one we were going to do a quick run on this FMS Smasher Ford F-150 monster truck. Coming down to a spot that I like coming to and chilling with the girlfriend, not too far from the house. Pretty nice little spot. We come down here and chill, bullshit when it's warm out. Sometimes barbecue, but figure it'd be a good spot to come play with this little thing. Maybe chase a squirrel or two, you know? Alright, so we're gonna shut this down for a second and get this all set up, and we will bring you a video. So this has got a 2-speed transmission. We're currently in 2nd speed right now, but you know, gotta have fun with it. If you're doing any major climbing, put it in 1st gear, but it's all good. Love doing flips with this new high-speed motor in, but definitely see a difference in having these lockers. I could actually climb up stuff and not spin out. I left the front open and kerplop. Definitely like having the fact that I got that locker in the rear installed. Oh, alright. Guess we're on our side. Yeah, I keep cutting out. It's supposed to be one of those high-speed batteries, but I'm having second thoughts about it. Alright, let's lock her in first gear. Probably ain't gonna perform too well because the front ain't locked, but hey, it's fun.